It's Maisy's bath time. She runs the water and puts in some bubbles, and in goes Doc. Ding dong! Oh, that's the doorbell. Maisy runs downstairs to see who it is. Hello, Tallulah. Maisy can't play now, it's her bath time. Maisy runs back upstairs and gets undressed. Maisy jumps into the bubbly bath. Ding dong! Who is ringing the doorbell now? Hello again, Tallulah. Maisy is still taking her bath. Come and play later. Oh, where are you going, Tallulah? Tallulah runs up to the bathroom and takes off her clothes. Splash, splash. Maisy and Tallulah play in the bath. Hooray!